Are you ready to view the sunset? Because we're heading on a sunset dinner cruise.
Live life on your own terms. This is Two Doves Nation. Let's fly.
Hi, I'm Amanda and welcome to our channel. If you're new to our videos, we vlog, we eat, and we travel to share our experiences. If you'd like to join the Dove Nation, hit the subscribe button down below. It's free! Are you ready to check out the sunset with me? Because I am, and I'm just a little hungry. Let's fly! We had the choice of either being inside or out here on the bow, and we decided we'd rather be out here on the bow, but we do have to share a table. That's okay though.
All our jackets are located in these compartments down here. In case of an actual emergency, we pass out life jackets to everyone, okay?
Just sit right back and you hear a tale of a faithful ship that started from this tropic port aboard this tiny ship. Mate was a mighty sailor, the skipper brave and true. 5 passengers set sail that day for a 3-hour tour. A 3-hour tour. Check those rain clouds out. You can see the rain, the strip of rain right there on our sunset tour. And you can see another little section of rain falling down. We're setting anchor for a little bit to eat dinner and enjoy the ocean breeze.
Okay, what we have here is kimchi, and I believe this is the Guam minced chicken that I really enjoy. They got some fish nuggets, rice, roll, some ribs, some chicken, and we got kimchi. That looks good. It's pretty good. I don't know what they call it, but it's one of the Guam specialty dishes or regional dishes. That's good. Let's try the red rice. The red rice, pretty good. Let's go with kimchi. Not bad. Everything so far look pretty good for a tour trip, both on food.
Red rice, kimchi, I don't know what that is.
It's the minced meat.
Minced meat.
Chicken.
Chicken? Oh, okay. Salad, another type of chicken, and fish nuggets.
You're welcome.
Gonna make my wife a beautiful flower. Check them out. Part of our tour is unlimited beer. One of my favorite right here. Asahi from Pacific Blue. Yeah, how nice is that? Sunset and beer. Yeah.
We're done with dinner and it's hot. There's really no breeze right now, but dinner was pretty good. They had fish and barbecue ribs and chicken, and then you had red rice and white rice. You also had salad, minced meat chicken, kimchi. They also had a little bit for dessert, but I didn't really see what it was.
Cookie and cake.
Cookies and cake. But overall, it was pretty good. I'm full. I liked it enough that I ate until I was full, so that's always a plus.
A dance party, a boxing, a rock. Woo!
We got a brand new day.
Okay, ready?
I'm a pro, make you bend your back low, and I'm kind of real bad to like. Open Gangnam Style.
The dinner cruise and everything. Sorry about the bus noise, but it was actually really nice. Talked with all the crew members and everything. They all love what they do, and at the end of the day, we got a bunch of Asian people to dance, which is a feat in and of itself. So, overall, I would say I would definitely do the cruise. It's called Big Sunset Dinner Cruise. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and check out our other content. This is Amanda and Ace reminding you to keep soaring. 2DN out.